Hello there, let's take a look at the weather for the week ahead. Now, as we head towards the end of 2023 and into the start of the new year, low pressure is still very much in charge. It's going to be unsettled, wet and windy at times, plenty of blustery showers around. And then it's set to turn a lot colder as we head into early January and next weekend. Now, still some cold air across Scotland. In fact, there was some snow across the central belt to low levels, of course, through Saturday, courtesy of a deep area of low pressure, bringing heavy rain, strong gusty winds, particularly towards western coast. It was named Storm Geraldine by the French Met Office, and that's been working its way eastwards and will continue to do so as we head through the day on Sunday, with the centre of low pressure across Northern Ireland just moving into Scotland as we head through the day. Plenty of blustery showers swirling around this low, but largely dry out towards eastern areas as we go through Sunday morning. New Year's Eve, of course, mostly dry for Scotland. Lighter winds here, but we'll see some very strong gusty winds again towards the south coast of England as we head through the day. Feeling a little cooler for most as we head through Sunday afternoon. 6 degrees Celsius in Scotland, but 10 degrees further south, so still mild towards the south coast in particular, but here staying very blustery as we head through New Year's Eve night. So if you're out celebrating, then do watch out for some showers, some very windy conditions along the south coast, so do be aware if you're watching a fireworks display that could cause some disruption. Further north, then, I think a lot of the showers will tend to be across northern England and Northern Ireland as we head towards midnight, whereas towards parts of Scotland it should be largely dry and there'll be some clear spells. Any showers across the east could turn wintry, especially over the higher ground. Now, Monday, we'll see that area of low pressure start to fill, so it is going to be a little more settled, but again, some more rain edging in from the southwest by the time we get to the end of the day, but plenty of dry weather before that. So if you're out for a New Year's walk, for example, I think there will be quite a lot of sunshine. Still the legacy of cloud and a few showers stretching from southwest Scotland into northeast England, perhaps particularly through the morning. And once again, there will be a drop in temperature, 5 degrees Celsius in the north, 10 degrees further south. Still double figures out towards the far south and the west, but really quite wet here by the end of the day. And that rain won't really clear until we get to Tuesday morning. Again, some more rain just pushing into parts of northeast England perhaps. There will be a lot of cloud around through the day on Tuesday, and there's a lot of doubt still on the exact position of these weather fronts, but maybe some more rain just edging into the southwest again by the time we get to the end of the afternoon. Temperatures starting to come up again with that milder air and the southwesterly winds, and we'll keep the southwesterlies as we head through Wednesday. It's going to feel quite brisk, I think, but starting to turn a little milder again. Temperatures creeping back up into double figures. Really quite showery on Wednesday, but there should be a bit more in the way of brightness and some drier weather, I think, into Thursday. Further ahead, just keep an eye on this area of high pressure out towards Iceland. That's going to start to extend its influence across the UK. So things are set to turn a bit drier, but we'll also draw in more of a northeasterly wind. And this will turn things a lot colder. Still a lot of doubt. And one of the models in particular is suggesting that we'll see high pressure build in from the south, which will turn the winds more northwesterly. So there are some differences in the models and still a lot of uncertainty. But what we do think is that there could be a northerly component to the winds. It will turn drier and colder as we head into next weekend and beyond, with some overnight frost too. Keep an eye on the forecast. Bye bye for now.